Hi, this is Challenge 5 and here are some parts of a car that are made of sheet metal. First we have the fuel tank, which is made of stainless steel, and here are the mechanical properties and its price per ton. Then here are the steps of the process of one of many forms to produce a metallic fuel tank. Now, we have many important features to consider when selecting the material we want our fuel tank to be, and all these features are covered with a stainless steel fuel tank. And then we have some welding processes that can be used to weld our fuel tank. For the heat treatment, the stainless steel fuel tank is superior in terms of crashworthiness and does not need surface treatment or maintenance. Next, the mechanical properties of the muffler, which is also made of stainless steel. Then, here is the process to produce a muffler. Now, the important features we need our muffler has to have. These are the two welding processes that are used to weld the muffler. And finally, the heat treatment to apply at the end of the production.
The last piece we chose is a radiator. The material we chose is aluminum. Here are some mechanical properties about the material. And the price of one sheet of aluminum's full size is approximately of $149.35. It is the cheapest material and it's very commonly used nowadays. Here we have the process of manufacturing of a radiator. First we have the laser machine cutting all the elements, then the assembly of the elements, then it goes through a flux machine, then to the oven to dry the flux. Now we have the assembly of the end tanks, and then we go through the welding or brazing, the drilling, and the pressure testing. These are the features of aluminum. The first one is lightweight because aluminum is a very light metal, about a third of steel. Corrosion resistance. This metal naturally generates a protective thin oxide coating which keeps the metal from making further contact with the environment. It is particularly useful for applications where it is exposed to corroding agents, as in kitchen cabinets and in vehicles. Electric and thermal conductivity. It is an excellent heat and electricity conductor. Reflectivity. Aluminum is a good reflector of visible lights as well as heat. Ductility. Aluminum is ductile and has a low melting point and density. It can be processed in several ways in a molten condition. Strength at low temperatures. In contrast to steel, aluminum shows increased tensile strength at temperatures drops. Impermeable and odorless. Non-magnetic. It is useful for electrical shieldings as in computer discs, dish antennas, or magnet housings. It is non-toxic. It is easy to clean and does not contaminate. Sound and shock absorption. Aluminum is an excellent sound absorber and it is used for constructing ceilings. Non-sparking. Aluminum produces no sparks when it comes into contact with itself or non-ferrous metals. Recyclability. Aluminum is 100% recyclable. Welding processes of a radiator suitable for their joining is tungsten inert gas, friction welding, and gas tungsten arc welding. The typical aluminum heat treatments are annealing, homogenizing, solution heat treatment, natural aging, and artificial aging, also known as precipitation hardening. Depending on the exact process being used, furnace temperatures can range from 240 to 1000 Fahrenheit.